But we had one more important sound we wanted you to hear.
What's up, boys? How's everybody doing today, man? What's going on, Craftsman? Let's trade some minis, man. I got some accounts. Let's blow them up, man. Let's go. I think it's best to wait until the open for trading, though. Really. The plan is we're gonna trade 2 minis on the NQ. Two minis. The way I need to trade this though, when they're brand new accounts, is I need to kind of trail the stop, so I'm probably gonna get stopped out a lot. So it is what it is. I'll try to let the trade play out, but like if I'm up like $1,000 or something, I have to trail it. It just is how it goes when you're first starting these accounts. What we got? What we got for news today, man? Any news? Yeah. New home sales. Fuck, new home sales are dropping like crazy, bro. Like crazy. And then we also got durable goods orders. Whoa, the goods. Keep them going. Keep them durable. That's what I always say. All right, man. Let's have a look at these markets, man. I haven't even looked at anything in a bit here. Holy shit. Let's just remove all this shit. I was looking at Bitcoin here. We probably should have a monthly a rally into the end of the month here. You know, if they're going to try to save this, if they close the month down here, look out. We're probably going to go see this. 89. I'll probably be taking some off the table if we have a shitty month close. But I'm expecting a rally into the end of the month. And the month is like a couple days. So, you know, you can look back through other monthly tops like that, when they, you know, they usually don't close a monthly top like that. They usually don't close monthly tops like that. You know, after a pullback, you know, the next thing to do is make new highs. So if you don't make new highs on the month, or at least rally into it, there's something wrong. This one didn't make new highs, but the month rallied into it, right? Like we rallied. So we need to rally. We need to close like up here around at least. I hate to flip to a fucking bearish until 89, but that might be the case. Let's check the weekly. Oh yeah, weekly is in the same kind of boat, you know what I mean? It really dumped that hard. The same kind of boat. You know, this is looking pretty juiced down here, man. Down here would be like a push everything that you own in kind of trade. This is a pretty juiced trade. Big weekly fair value gap, big untested weekly. This is the monthly bottom of the of the order box, of the order block, or whatever you want to call it. So it's a lot of shit down there, man, to bounce it, you know. So I think we might see that, honestly. It's unfortunate. The Bitcoin trade is doing well. We're up $134, 64%. Let's fucking go. I will be trailing this at this point. I should move this up because this is tagged. So like I should just move this into profit. This is kind of how I trade leverage. You know what I mean? 10 times is usually the most I'll do. I don't really want to see that go back down there. I hope I don't get stopped out and then it runs like crazy. You know, like there's a little something here, but like this should bounce. If they're gonna bring it down there, you really want 109 to bounce. I guess I could put this just a little bit in the stop, you know, just down there, just a little bit. That's all right. Fuck, I might as well just do this swing here. That's not that much. It's only like a $20 stop. Closing above the body. I don't know, man. I don't really use the bodies. I know Dope uses them a lot more. I don't. My trading's a lot simpler, you know what I mean? Let's have a look here again. You're talking about closing above the bodies of this weekly up here, or the monthly. We were looking at the monthly before. Closing above the monthly bodies. I mean, it's good, but it's not like when you have a pullback like that, you know, when you're running into it, you need to be making new, especially after you've made a new high here. You need to close the month up there, or else it's weak. It's as simple as that, really. This is real kind of messy up here, you know. It did make a rally, but we need more of a rally. We need to close the month up here. It needs to run today or tomorrow or the next day. That's kind of it. Let's look at ES. We're going to be trading the NQ today. Wow, what a gap up here. Is this this must have been the contract switchover? Pretty sweet weekly here now. Keep an eye on that shit. Keep pretty sweet weekly there. I could see them dumping this, honestly. Yeah. I don't know. The only thing I look at it as is just like, if we close above it, then it's good. We're good to go. Like, it wasn't bait here, you know what I mean? They closed above it here, and then they dumped it, you know? But then they made higher highs, right? Continued higher. Yeah, so on NQ also pretty sweet weekly here and a giant gap. I put there actually. Pretty sweet weekly and a giant gap, a huge gap. So you think that they're going to be going back to fill that? Let's just look at the Dixie here. Did we make any moves? This is a mess on the weekly. This should go. I would think this would go. Let's just go back to NQ here for a second, try to get my bearings a bit. This is what we're going to be trading. This is what we're going to trade here. Oh, they got a nice 4-hour continuation candle up here. Of course they do. Then the gap. A few things to be looking at, right? And then this liquidity point underneath here. It's kind of the areas that we're gonna be focusing in on. Continuation off this will be a trade. A gap fill will be a trade. Continuation off this guy, or a sweep of this liquidity down here. Those are the three trades that I would be interested in taking. Or if we can find a setup to dump it, right? Let's go to the 15. They did lose the 15 here, but they held this. They tagged this 4-hour on the way up too. Kind of sucks. There is some stuff in here, not too much, man. I would think that if they're gonna take this liquidity underneath here, that they're gonna close this gap. But this would be the trade in here that we would be looking for. So you know, a move down to there would be the move down trade. Not too bad. Honestly, take that right now. Honestly, like, I really think it's a good idea to just wait for the opens for this though. Yeah, it's just $300 stop on one contract. and I want to take 2 contracts, right? What do you guys think? What do you guys think about, man? Man, I've been having some real shit guests in my villas lately. Gotta tell you, it's not the coolest, man. Just fucking complaining about everything. The fuck, man? There's people like that in the world that just come for vacation in Bali and then just complain about shit the whole fucking time. There's nothing wrong with the goddamn villas. They're luxury villas, man. You know? Like, god damn it, man. Really? It's unbelievable. The fuck are these people complaining about? The one guest was complaining there was mosquitoes out at the pool. Well, fuck, man, it's a tropical fucking island. There's mosquito repellent at the fucking store, you know? We leave fogger at the villa too to combat it a bit. But like, what are you gonna complain that the bugs are outside? Like, what are you talking about, man? You know, that's where they live. And I honestly live down the street, man. There's not many bugs outside, dude. Really. It's not too bad. All right, man. All right. Rubus, he's in the house, man. He made it. Let's go. I got some nice fresh accounts, man. Let's fucking blow them up. We're trading NQ minis. Two contracts. That's it. Privacy meta. Zcash. I had Zcash at one point. At one point, I almost bought a Zcash. What are they called? Probes or whatever they're called. I can't remember. If you had a certain amount of Zcash, you could have like one of the nodes. That's what they're called. If you had a certain amount of Zcash, you could have a node. And I almost thought it was a good idea to have a Zcash node back in the day, man. Almost. I never pulled the trigger on it. Dude. So many cryptos all went to shit, man. I had like, I was looking through my bags like maybe a year ago. And like, I probably had like $20,000 worth of just pure garbage. Just like everything was worth nothing. You know what I mean? I was back then when it was like the ICO days. I was doing like real like shotgun investing, you know. I would just like kind of sprinkle a bit of money everywhere just because I was like, some of the shit's gonna take off. Some did, man, some did. But there was a lot that didn't. There was a lot that was just bullshit. Bitcoin. I have a ton of Bitcoin. I have so much Bitcoin. What do you do with it? Yeah, I should just sell everything and just buy Bitcoin. It's a good idea. What are your thoughts here, Rubus? What are your thoughts, man? What are your thoughts on the markets, man? They should. I bet you it would sustain a bit because there'd be people that there'd be a little bit of people in the community that would just buy it for fun. Waiting for a pullback. Yeah, I'm in the same boat. I was thinking about maybe shorting it to the pullback spots. This area is what I was looking at in NQ, or like, you know, gap fill. But this area isn't too bad. I only have like the trades will be like, you know, what is this? 25. Around 25. The trades are going to be kind of expensive. Is the only problem when you're trading the micros or when you're trading the minis. Yeah, it's like one contract is like a $700 fucking, you know. I'd have to just put it lower and just hope I get filled. Yeah, it has to be on a separate account for sure. Don't do it on your main account. I just think it's time, man, to move to the minis, man. What are we doing here, man? You know, even if you even if you blow up accounts, a few of them, whatever. Just only trade when you get an A+ setup. Yeah, I guess, but like even for me, I'm just thinking like if you buy these accounts for $30, like who gives a shit if you blow it up? All we're trying to do is get fucking 3 bangers in a row. You know how many times I've done 3 bangers in a row? Lots of times. We could just sit here and just wait for 4-hour continuations and just fucking trade those. You know what I mean? But yeah, just 3 in a row. If you get 3 bangers in a row, it's gonna be a lot if you trade 2 contracts. So even if we blow up accounts, just like, I really got to get mentally focused here, man, because I just don't care anymore. I'm gonna detach from the money and like just like let's just trade the charts and fucking let's get 3 in a row, man. That's all we're looking for. You know, I don't know. I feel like it's time, and I feel like we can do it. We gotta at least try, right? Man, like $30 tries. Or like, let's say you have to convert the account, so $150 tries. Even if it takes you 20 fucking tries, you know what I mean? To get like, to go on a run. And it won't take 20. There's no way. That's still only $2,000. You know what I mean? It's not that much. It's not that much, man, really. But I think it's best to wait till the open for trading. I did talk about shorting this to down here. Shorting this to here. This to here. But I can't do it. Can't do it yet. I mean, that's kind of what I'm talking about doing, Rubbas. Like, I'm talking about doing something like that, and just like, you know, just do that until it hits, because it'll hit. You know, on NQ you basically need to take you basically trade the 1 minute chart. You know, normally, but like even the 5 minute chart, you know. You could have took short here, right? This was a short setup. You know, this was a fucking short setup on the 5 minute. Second touch on it, but still, you could have already been stopping profit. And then it's only a matter of time before you get the banger. The only problem is you need to trail your stops, because like you can't be up $1,000 and give it back. So I'm sure it's gonna be a lot of stop outs at first, but that's okay. Yeah, you can't like be up $1,000 because they have a trailing stop at Apex, so you can't be up $1,000 or up like $2,000 and then give it all back. It's not going to work like that. You just need to trail your stop. And whatever happens, happens. I got 3 accounts ready to go though, ready to rock and roll. Let's do it. Let's trade 10 micros. Let's trade 10 minis, man. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Fucking joke. What a joke. What a joke, man. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a big week this week. The a lot of earnings this week, man. A lot of earnings. I did post it in the Discord. They're big week this week coming up. A lot of earnings, FOMC decision, Powell presentation. Anyway, I'll be right back. We got open in about 1 hour. Yo. All right, boys. It's not the cleanest. It's not the cleanest, man. It's not the cleanest. Kind of like down here better. Wait until they open. The only really thing I'm looking at on Bitcoin now is going to be like this. This area up here. This gap, really. This gap. The gapper. The gapper. The gapper. The gaps everywhere, yeah? Big gaps everywhere, man. All right, back to the NQ. Back to the old NQ, man. This one's kind of done. The only thing that we can wait for on the NQ is down here. It's down here. It's underneath this. It's underneath here. It's what we can wait for, man. It's a bit shifty then down there. I really love it, you know. But this is like a 4-hour level, right? So this is like a 4-hour level. Yeah. think we might just melt higher, man, honestly. I don't even like this trade here, man. Really, I'd much rather it to go down to this gap. This must be the month flip over gap, yeah? Or the contract flip? Is that what's happened here? Or did they just gap up? Like, was it just a massive gap up? It was not the contract. It was just a big gap up from the weekend. Weekend gapper. I see. Gappy. What do you guys think? You think we're gonna win on the micros or on the minis? You think we're gonna win? Could we win? Could we win? Imagine we go on a winning streak like we did, like we did. It's gonna be pretty boring in here until the market open, honestly. Might go get a coffee. Because I don't want to take any trades until the open. I think that's the best way to do this. Should honestly even wait until the opening range is set up, and we'll see where we go from there. Opening range. The open. 40 minutes. 39 minutes. I'm going to go make a coffee. I'll be back. right. Right. Let's do it. Minis. Let's do the minis. Yo, BDP. He's in the house. He's in the house. He's in the house. BDP. BDP has arrived. Nice. Straight to funded. Wow. What are your thoughts? Well, how are you going to do this, BDP? Just get on the mic, man. Just jump on the mic, bro. No doubt. Why fuck around? Give me 5. All right. I haven't taken any entries yet. I'm just waiting for open, I think. Waiting for open on this first. I did talk about this short, but I didn't take it. Can we check gold? Gold. Dumping. Yeah, here. It's a nice 4-hour gap that they're holding on to right here, right? This is the last level gained. So this has been tested how many times, right? Even if they do make a move up, this is probably headed a little bit lower. This is the daily swing that they're holding on to. This could go for daily continuation. Let's just look at the weekly in gold. Yeah, I really think that gold's gonna be due to go back there, right? So I honestly think that gold's headed back to 3,500. There might be, it's not going to go straight back there, but yeah, you know, we'll see if this is this holds or not. What's up, BDP? How you doing, brother? Yeah, what's going on, bro? No worries. How you doing?
Good news, bro. Good news.
Not too bad, man. Yeah, good. Yeah, you sound good to me.
Okay, sweet. Some interesting markets pumping. Nice crypto longs playing out.
Yeah, crypto's doing very well. Up 60% or something like that for the leveraged longs, and then I levered my whole portfolio down there at 108. So
perfect. Nice one.
Yeah, I'm turning him up. Talk again, BDP.
Yo, yo, yo.
Here we go. Should be good, yeah.
So I loaded up some fresh 50Ks.
Yeah, I know you
for us to try out.
Let's go, man. Minis.
Yeah.
Let's do it. 2 minis. 2 NQ minis.
That's going to be too big a risk for these 50Ks.
Yeah, I'm planning on blowing up accounts.
Yeah, exactly. That's the thing with the straight to funded. I already know I just risk $200 per account. That's per trade. That's
per trade. So you're going to be on the micros then. Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, whether that's 5 micros or 3 or 7 or however it works, it's $200 per trade.
Yeah, I'm planning on spending like, $700 per trade or something like that, and I'm gonna try to win right away.
Yeah.
That's my plan at it anyway.
So with these, the thing is I'm not like the biggest fan of these straight to funded accounts because they got these stupid consistency rules for the beginning. But like the last 2 payouts from the previous company weren't like as smooth as I would like. So I thought I'd just fucking try these things.
Tradify is pretty good, man. They're pretty, a lot of traders are using them.
Yeah. So I'll give it a try. Now we're gonna look for some longs, but a bit difficult right now.
Yeah, it's a little shifty. A little bit shifty. What do you think about? Are you going to trade NQ or ES?
I'm looking at both just at the moment. My target for ES is like a up 69.50 area, 69.30. So we haven't got there yet. I was pretty much expecting us to almost be up there by now. That's like my weekly target. That zone up there. It's a nice extension.
Mm-hmm.
But I could also see a move down, like it's a Monday, so we could move down just to like test out
73, 873 in that range, maybe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Something like that.
I don't think that we'll get back all the way down to the gap. I think that this top range is going to hold.
Yeah. Yeah. Otherwise, you got to go. Yeah. Otherwise, you go just below 6,800, something down there, and then move back up.
Yeah.
But it looks good. Crypto had like a nice strong action into the weekly close last night. So even that's around like I like longs and crypto around like 113 in that 113K is.
I moved my stop up today in crypto. I moved it up to, because it was just down below 100 before. So I just moved it up to 105 or 106, just below the last daily swing.
Yeah.
I don't think that we're going back down there again, but if we do, I don't want to be in the trade anymore. I think we're going to head down to like 98 if we do. Or maybe even 89.
Yeah, you don't want it to go down again. Like even like ETH, you don't really want it to be closing below 3,800 again.
Yeah, I was looking at the monthly levels here on Bitcoin too. So the Bitcoin monthlies. Yeah, so like you got to think that they're gonna make a rally into the end of the month, right? And they're gonna try to save this. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like the monthly level to get it back above is 124.4. So like you think that they're gonna at least challenge it, right? Try to have a decent close.
Yeah. So I think my profit target was 119 on Bitcoin. That's my profit target. One profit target.
My profit target's new highs.
Yeah. I mean, those are obvious. That's just my in-range target.
Yeah.
And then,
I'm not even having an in-range target. I don't think. I'm just gonna move my stop up a little bit.
Yep,
I want to try to have. I'll take one on a sweep of the highs, and then the next one will be like 150. On a sweep of the highs, I might take some off my, like I'm pretty full on crypto right now, right? So I should really like just take some off and like maybe de-lever my full portfolio a little bit and shit. You know what I mean? So I'll probably do something at the highs.
but that's how you got to trade it. Like that's just how you trade crypto.
Yeah. All right, about 15 minutes until the open here.
Dude, I love the turtle.
It's good, right?
Oh my goodness, bro.
Dude, it turned out so well, man.
I love the airbrush. The airbrush is epic.
Yeah, man.
I'm not watching the stream. I don't have
Yeah, we can put it on the screen though for everybody else to see. Look at this shit. Look at him. I even taped up his eyes and like did his eyes, and I put a gloss on his eyes so his eyes looked all glossy. Fuck yeah. Yeah, I used the airbrush and I did some dry brushing. Fuck yeah, I'm an artist. Let's go.
Fuck yeah.
$15, I thought, right? What time is it in New York? Yeah, it's still 9:14. We're good. Appreciate that follow. Thank you. It's awkward, or it's awakened. Appreciate you, man. You've come to the stream at such a good time because BDP and myself have just decided to start trading minis. We're not fucking around anymore. We're done fucking around. You only trade gold and Bitcoin? It's all right. I actually did an analysis on the BTC slash GC pairs, and I put it in the Discord. You know, they're holding the monthly, which this is a rotation that should have happened when we were down here, right? Monthly area to hold, so they're holding it. Took the liquidity out from here. Once they took the liquidity, is pretty easy to see that there was going to be a rotation from gold into Bitcoin anyway. Do I swing trade or day trade? I swing trade and day trade. Just currently have an open position in Bitcoin for it's up 60%. And then usually I day trade the main markets. I have a much bigger portfolio in crypto. This is just my like leverage trading in here. I have a bunch of crypto in DeFi too. You got on that DeFi shit yet, BDP? You got to get in it, man. It's so great.
I don't fuck around with that really much.
Oh, dude, you're missing out, man. Like on if you're holding Ethereum, like you could be making 5 to 10 points on it, APY.
Oh yeah, no, like I have that set up.
And then on Bitcoin too, you can. It's really easy to just take a loan on your Bitcoin, right? So you can take a loan on it and then buy more if you want. And that's how I lever my positions. When it's time to lever, I never lever like too much. You know what I mean? Little worried about a crash coming.
Yeah, no, I know what you're talking about. It's easy enough.
Yeah, it's the
What
weekend.
you thinking here?
Well, go ahead, BDP. Sorry.
What you thinking here, Jay? 10 minutes till the open.
I think we're gonna go lower,
Yeah.
but I don't want to short it. You know what I mean? It wasn't the best setup, but I talked about this short that's on the screen right now. Right when I got here, I almost smashed in, but I didn't. But I'm thinking that we're gonna see like 42 maybe. You know, I don't think this level holds. So I think we might go down here and see like under 25 750. You know. Maybe. We'll see.
Yeah.
There is a 4 hour. The 4 hour continuation is up here. They did form a 4 hour swing up here, right? On NQ. So I don't think that we'll fill the gap, but we may get test that for this 4 hour, right? A little bit more, a little bit better than it was. Take the liquidity out from underneath this, you know. Take the liquidity out from here. Down at that area. Yeah, we can. There is a lot of there'll be a ton of misinformation that you'll see out there on the internet. I put out some tutorials on my YouTube if you want to check it out. It's at Mainline Trades. It's not super intensive tutorials or anything. I'm too lazy to be making tutorials. But it's just common sense about price action. The best way to learn is just to keep coming back to somewhere and just, you know, partake in the community and learn from the people who've been doing it for a long time. I've been trading for 15 years. My first 7 I lost. I probably lost like 30 grand when I first started. Yeah, it sucked. But now it's fine. That's why most people don't make it, man. Like most people will just, yeah, very profitable now. You can just go back through the streams. I just went on a huge run for like, I didn't have a losing day for like 18 days or something like that. I can't remember the exact number. It was like 16 days or 18 days in a row. I don't usually go on runs like that. My win percentage over the last month was like, it was like something like 89% or something like that was the win percentage. But it's not like that normally. Normally it's like 60 or 65. I would say that's my range of my winning percentage. Yeah, man, it's all about support and resistances. That's you know, you're already ahead of the curve. Got 8 minutes till market open. NQ dumped a little bit here. Trying to hold the top swing here. I don't know, man. I don't know if they do. Kind of like this lower, but I don't like longs here, you know. Yeah, it's for swing trading, and you know, swing trading or scalping or whatever, it's all the same shit. It doesn't really matter. You're just looking at different time charts, but all the setups are the exact same. So it's either you're trading on like the daily, or you're trading on like on for the main markets, we're trading on the 5 minute usually. But if you want to swing trade, you would be looking at like a 4 hour and like a weekly or something like that. But yeah, that's really all it is just buying support and selling resistance. Mainly at setups at those locations. Have I ever done meme coins? Yeah, I made a boatload on Doge back in the day. I sold it way too early, but I made like 4 or 5x or something like that on like a pretty big bag. For crypto now, I mainly just trade the main markets, like the Ethereum and Bitcoin. I don't really deal with too many memes. Once you learn how to trade, you just don't have time for that bullshit anymore, man. You know, you just look for setups. It's a lot safer. Once you've made a bunch of money, you don't need to be risking it all in meme coins anymore. You know what I mean? It's a little ridiculous. All right, 5 minutes until the open. Let's get it. What did I do wrong for the first 7 years? I would say the first 3, I just didn't even know how to trade. I was learning like wrong systems. And then once I discovered price action, then at least I knew the right systems. But then after that, it took me a while to like get mentally good at it. Once you learn price action, once you learn how to trade, that's the easy part, learning how to trade. The hard part is the mental game about, you know, staying in the trade and, you know, kind of stuff. Having confidence in what you're doing. It's kind of hard to have confidence in what you're doing when you just lost a whole bunch of money for 3 years or 4 years, you know. So it takes a little while before you turn it around. I think I was a break-even trader for probably like 2 years. Just like not gaining or not losing. But that's just my story, man. Some people pick this shit up real fast. You know, I know people that picked it up in like, you know, a few months, and like after like 8 months, they're already making bank. It all depends on the person. Three minutes till the open, boys. Yeah, Awaken, I'd recommend for you to join the Discord. Join the Discord, go to the YouTube channel, and there's a tutorial section on there. It's not like there's probably like 5 or 6 5-minute videos, you know, watch them, get a general idea of price action. I'm not shorting it, but I did call this short here. I want to buy it. I want to buy it here. But this, you wouldn't have been wrong shorting this. It's a decent short opportunity. I mean, it is a short. Could have already been in the trade, and you could have already had your stop and profit. Yeah, it looks like shorts are printing. All right, here's the open. Gains. Oh, they're holding this area, man. Dude, the lag on my system here is just like a little ridiculous, man. So the opportunity for longs in the top range. Still flat. Okay, here's the opening 5-minute range. Pretty big smack down. Breaking the low of the 5-minute. Opening Ranger. Kind of dirty, man.
That's fucking fun.
Pretty dirty. Sweep the highs and then fucking dump it. It's a tricky one, boys. She's a tricky one.
What's happening, Jay?
I don't know, man. I haven't pulled the trigger on shit. What about you?
No, I haven't done anything yet. I'm thinking up though, just watching this.
Yeah, you know, they bounced this pretty good.
Yeah.
They bounced that 5-minute gap, little gapper pretty good. Back inside the opening range. I think I'm going to pull the trigger on a long. It's an $800. It's a $1,500 stop.
Are you looking on ES, like kind of getting long around like 82? Or
Yeah,
like really long?
I'm looking at NQ, but yeah, same thing.
Okay, what you looking at in?
Same thing. It's holding 828.
Yeah.
Fuck it, I'm in for one. I just have it at the bottom of the opening range. The stop. I'm gonna get in for another one here. In for two. $1,500 stop. Let's go, boys.
Pump it one time for J. For the J man.
We can take one off at a sweep of the highs. And then we'll trail it.
As J man would say, take it one time, pump it one time.
Yeah, just give it to me one time. Pump it. Oh no. I'm in for two more. That'll be the account if this thing just fails.
Oh shit, I forgot you on the big boys.
Yeah.
You kind of want to see them hold right here, otherwise.
Yeah.
No. There you go, little pop. How many in, Jay? In like 4?
4, yeah. 4 at break even.
Holy shit.
Just pump it one time, man.
Dude, if we just get new highs, like then that's your day done.
Yeah, for sure. That'll be lots.
Lots.
I'll keep one runner though. So I'll take 3 off at the highs if they go there.
Yeah.
Or we're blowing up the account. On to the next fucking trade. I really should have just waited until like the bottom of the range was tested again, you know, and just a better trade.
still part of me thinks lower, like, but if we see some momentum here, then they'll get it.
I'm gonna move my stop up here anyway. Probably gonna just take 2 off here. Up 800 on the day. Took 2 off.
There we go, Jay.
So,
there we go, Jay.
We'll put 1 at a sweep of the highs, and then we'll leave 1 for a little bit of a runner. I have to trail this up though, right? Because like you can't. They have a trailing stop with these accounts, so I have to. I don't have a choice here. I can't give it back, you know.
No, you have to just trail it like on the like.
Yeah, the 15
1600 tick.
Yeah, 50
or whatever. Yeah.
I'll give it a little bit, but yeah, it's already failing. I'm out. Plus 550. It's not really what we're looking for here, you know. We're looking for more than that. So we have the 15 we have the 15-minute range up now. I might take another trade too. Never know. This is hard to trade, right? Like it's not like an easy
Very
4-hour continuation or whatever. Like this is hard to trade.
No, this is very difficult. Low time frame.
Yeah, like you have to trade it on the low time frame, and like, I don't know, it's just. It looks like they're still trying to hold this though. Oh man, I gotta turn off this aircon. I'll be back in a second, boys. All right. What are they going to do here, man? Are they going to just bounce around this fucking area for another 15 minutes?
10 minutes till the 4-hour close.
Kid dumped pretty hard, man, because like the 4 hours already been tested on the way up. Then it's just that giant gap below. You know what I mean? Like that's like, 400 points away or whatever.
Yeah, that's like what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
And then like you can't long. I don't know. It's just so difficult to long up here.
I know, man. It's like it's impossible. It just goes against everything that I've ever done in trading. You know what I mean? It's really hard to long the top. I never long the top. Only on like small time frames. That's it.
So I would rather be patient. Like we're going to get lots of opportunity this week. So I'm not too worried. I also I don't want to blow these accounts on day one. I want to make sure that it gets some nice buffer going.
Yeah, no, it would be nice. It's not really what I'm trying to do here, BDP. I'm trying.
I know.
I'm very aware that I'll blow some accounts. It's fine. What I'm trying to do is get like 5 good trades in a row. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The problem is you have to like with these accounts you have to chase the stop. You have to trail it, or you'll just blow up the accounts. You know what I mean? Even if you have the right idea.
Yep.
Tradeify has a trailing drawdown too, no?
No, well, it's like end of day drawdown, so it's not on your open position.
Yeah, but if you... Oh, it's end of day. That is better. That's way better.
Yeah. The end of day, no, that's like important. Otherwise, it's admin. Then you have to really like watch your trades and...
Yeah, you have. That's why I say online, like I have to trail the stop, or like, it's fucked. Like as soon as you lose, especially if you're trading
with
the bigger
four,
accounts.
especially with four big NQs, like you can have a $2,000 swing in seconds.
Yeah.
Just got to be careful. Looks like they're trying to push up again here.
Yeah, trying to hold it.
Which even like if they do now make new highs, that's kind of like a nasty setup. So.
Yeah, they're trying to push this, man. So there's the 4-hour close and the 15-minute close. Looks pretty good for higher. 15-minute printed an inside bar, so it gives us a little insight into which way they go on a break of that. They just broke it to the upside. Min again for one here. I'll add one more if we dump it. Sweep of the highs here. Take a PT. All right, getting a move above the opening range. Pretty good move to the upside. I was trying to capture that move. $700 on the day. Should have been way more, honestly. Well, it looks like they're leaving without us. I don't know if BDP, did you get it? Watching this for a short at this point. It's gonna be hard, man, to take shorts. The setup is so far away. It's just taking on a tick. Comes a tick fail. Or 15-second chart fail. The failure point is right at the opening range breakout, so they might hold. Getting close to a short opportunity here. See if they give it. Nope. More higher. Here's a little bit of selling. Trying to hold the opening range and the 15-minute. Or the breakout range. Breaking below. You can try it. 2 contracts short. Stop at the highs. I should put this stop in profit, really, man. Let's see. $15 minutes gonna close here in 2 minutes. If they close inside, it's a pretty good sign. It's getting smacked down pretty hard here. I'm gonna take one off here. I missed it. Just let it go. Just let it go, man. Whatever. That's kind of what we want to try to do here. I don't know if it'll happen. It's not looking good because they're back above the opening range. One time for Jay. Oh, it's not looking good. Just dump it one time. And we closed right at the opening range. A little bit of selling. Just fucking dump it, man. Let's dump it one time. Oh, so close, so close. Yes, PT hit, PT hit. We'll be moving up the stop here. Oh no. I have more contracts. What is going on here? Closing this trade. Closed all of it. I don't know why it added me a contract. Why? What the fuck? The fuck was that? wasn't what was supposed to happen. I literally added to the position in the fucking in the PT spot. Why, man? It's all good. My last PT was here, but honestly, this is fine. You know what I mean? I made 1,500 today. Not as much as I would like to. Like I would have liked to get more, but this was super hard trading today. You know, this trading day was not easy. 1,500. That's gonna be it for Jay for today. I'm done with this fucking range. So I'm just gonna go have a smoke and see where this ends up. If it does dump huge, I might take a long. Were longs taken, man? Were longs taken? I wonder what BDP did. He left the chat. This is hard trading, man, really. This is not easy stuff to do. I think I'm done for the day. I'm gonna just continue tomorrow. Hopefully the fucking trading's a little bit easier. I think I'm gonna leave it there for the night, for the day, guys. Do you guys want me to look at any charts here before I take off? Any charts out there? Any chart enjoyers? Quite the move you're on, NQ. All right, so if no charts, then I'm out. Thank you guys for stopping in. Appreciate you. Appreciate you guys. We'll be back again tomorrow. Your account's up $1,500, so it's a bonus. 1,500 more to go till that one's in paid, or till that one's in funded. So really, that's like one more fucking trade, man. It's just one trade. Easy, you know. I think this is gonna make new highs. Yeah, it's just not worth trading anymore today. For me. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.